Amor. As you can see, nasa bus po kami ngayon traveling to Sports City for Kim's competition para sa swimming. And ayun, nasa bus kami. Malapit na kami makarating na Mall of the Emirates. And tap na tayo para tayo makababa na. So, ako'y maglo-load. Para dili makulangan ang ako card. Again. All done. Here at the Mall of the Emirates at the moment while waiting for the next bus going to Sports City. So, yan. Kulat sa tag what time maabot ang bus. Then I'll see you guys later. So, naghulat mi sa bus. Kana siya, bus number F37. So, mauna siya mo sakyan. Paadto o Sports City.
A few moments later.
At the moment, nasa bus na po kami traveling to Sports City. Actually, nandito na kami sa Motor City. So, konting ano na lang, takbo na lang. In a few minutes, we will be there. Naalala ko lang dati, lagi ako nagka-travel dito from Motor City all the way to Satwa. As in, everyday dito ako bumababa. Then, lilipat ako ng bus. Dito ako sasakay papuntang Satwa. Medyo may kalayuan din. I just realized na sobrang nakakapagod pala yung ginagawa ko dati. But of course, I have to do that para sa kinabukasan. Kinabukasan talaga. So, ayan, ikot-ikot muna tayo hanggang sa tayo ay makarating na sa ating destination. Mamaya, malapit na tayo. Nandito na kami somewhere in Sports City. So, ilang stop na lang at bababa na din kami.
Few moments later.
Ayan mga mi amor, we just arrived at our destination here at RGS Royal Grammar School. Kami ay magkakape muna while waiting sa time for Kim's race. So, ayan. Actually, yan po yung pool. Dandiyan yung pool. Then, dito is cafeteria. Then, kape-kape muna kami while waiting. We still have lots of time.
A few moments later.
You